What's up, Daytona Dreamers? It's Jason Hanson here for the local group, your local expert. If you're looking for something fun to do this summer, you gotta check out Daytona Lagoon. And I'm going to tell you at the end of this video, the very best day to purchase tickets so you can avoid crowds and save yourself some money. So let's go check it out. Daytona Lagoon has many attractions, including Treasure Lagoon Wave Pool. Lots of fun, lots of waves. The park is expansive and has many rides, average thrill-seeking numbers. Castaway Island is for kids, has lots of it's basically a splash park, has netting and slides for the youngsters to have fun while you relax and not worry about their safety. My favorite is the Lagoon, where you can relax and float and just soak up the sun. This is the fastest ride here and the shortest line as it moves pretty quickly. I believe there's 8 rides in total. Poison Pass is an enclosed slide. I didn't really care for it because it was dark, but it was still fun. If you're looking to get out of the sun, you can rent these cabanas on the second deck or down below by the Castaway with your children. There's a bar and some snacks, and Mondays is the best day to go because it's buy one, get one free. If you like this video, follow me for more videos just like this.